Thank you for joining in today. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so then you can get notifications on all my weekly art lessons. And this time up, I decided to do the continuous line challenge. So everything you see here is one line. Everything is connected, and the only rule is that if you lift up your hand, you're done. So you have to keep on going there. And I tried this actually a few times before I got it right. Just force of habit. I lifted my hand twice and had to restart. And then I decided to stick with a little bit of a theme. So that way I could just, obviously, I chose desserts here, but then I could stick with it and just draw what came to mind. And then it worked out a little bit easier for me. I just had to really focus on not lifting my hand up there. But overall, I think it was really fun and definitely a challenge. And because I tried it 3 or 4 times before this, my hand was really starting to hurt a little bit. But like I said, overall, it was really fun. And thank you for watching.